Your Lordship, may I?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, a review petition. Lordship, here I am for the petitioner. Your Lordship, I would like to withdraw this instant review petition on instruction.
Okay. Mr.
Y.N. Tamin.
Y.N. Tamin, Learned Counsel for the review petitioner, submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this petition. Mr. Accordingly, review petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Dismissed on withdrawal.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 2, Your Lordship.
Item 2.
Yes, on behalf of Estapin, he is the standing counsel of APSSB, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, he has some personal difficulty today, Your Lordship. May I kindly take up this matter after vacation?
Okay. On the prayer of MS Arbasalan's counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Estapin, standing counsel APSSB,
Lordship.
let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. I think the petitioner may not be interested also. Yes,
I'm mentioning. Yes.
you have filed your affidavits.
Madam, I have already filed the affidavit.
What about the
Yes,
SSB?
Lordship. SSB also.
Okay.
Fine. Your Lordship, item, he's not there. Item number 9 also, Your Lordship. Here we have to produce one report, Your Lordship, but we have not received the report yet, Your Lordship. So,
One man inquiry
yes,
Yes,
Your Lordship.
1 minute work.
After vacation, Your
on
Lordship.
the prayer of MS Arbasa, London State Council. Let this matter be listed after
After vacation, Your Lordship.
4 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21 on behalf of T. Tapak. He's due to medical problem. He could not attend today, and we have taken consent from legal aid council, Searing and PP
You are for
petition. Yes,
appellant,
yes, Lordship.
Mr.
B. Sibo on behalf of
B.C. Learned Council for the Learned Council submits that Learned Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Tapak, Learned Council to the appellant, submits that Mr. Tapak, Learned Council has some medical issue today. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks. Right?
Lordship. Another matter item.
T at Learned Additional PP is present. For the state is present.
Obliged.
My Lord, another matter item number 7. Leading council T. Tapak is out of station, and we have taken consent from government.
We'll dispose of this matter. Nothing. What is there? As per rules, you are not eligible. What's wrong there? Same order. T. Tapak. But you are here. B.C. Bo is here.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. B.C. Bo, Learned Counsel to the appellant. Submits that leading counsel, Mr. T. Tapak, has some medical problem today. Therefore, fresh pursuant. Same.
Obliged.
May it please your lordships.
Yes. Yes, madam.
Yeah, my lord, I beg to mention item number 4, lordship. We were supposed to file the amended cost title. We will file it within a week. But
On the
lordship, I
prayer of
humbly
this MSD Ghost Learned Counsel for the petitioners, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks so as to enable her to file amended cost title.
yes, lordship.
Yes.
I humbly pray for fixing a date, lordship, since I am an outstation counsel.
But then all along you are comfortably sitting at Guwahati or somewhere at your residence.
No, on last occasion I was there, lordship. On last occasion I was there before this honorable court.
Okay.
Before the Itanagar
keep the
bench,
fixed
lordship. And I love to argue
Somebody
for
in
lordship
August.
physically.
4th August.
4th August. 4th
My-
August.
My lord, right from the beginning, my lord, I've been raising the question, maintenance of this PL, my lord.
It's
Let me
already,
keep the-
there.
Yeah, on
Hello,
last
solid.
occasion, senior counsel, Mr. Gonzalez
Mr.
argued on that
No,
occasion, my
no,
learned
I'm sorry,
senior
madam,
friend
that was
has.
for the interrupted application, not for the main petition,
Yeah.
sorry.
So yes, let it be fixed on 4th of August.
And
Uh,
whose name has to be recorded?
My lord, I'm from the Union of India.
And and Mr. M. Kato Leonard D is here for the Union of India, as well as Mr.
Yeah. All orders for the student.
I don't know, what's the respondent number?
response six, my lord, newly implemented, my lord.
Mr.
Nabam Jolo, my lord.
Nabam Cholo.
Lordship, can it be on
You are always,
6th of August?
you are always out of sight, therefore we tend to forget your name. A great man we should not forget.
Lordship,
Correspondents are present.
can
Sorry,
it be on 6th of August, Lordship, if it's not
Out of sight, out
inconvenience
of
for
mind.
Lordship?
yes, Mr. Jolo.
6th August, my lord, tick by,
6th August.
my lord.
6th of August, Lordship. Deeply
Yes.
obliged, Lordship.
My lord, that part, my lord, the maintenance to be
It's
kept.
there
up.
already.
Yes, we will argue on maintainability on 6th of August.
Very well, madam.
Yes, definitely we'll argue before Lordship on 6th of August. And meanwhile, Lordship, the respondent number 6 can file their objection, if any they have.
Yes, Mr. Jolo, take note of it. In the meantime, you file a affidavit, whatever
Yeah.
you want to file.
In the meantime, I'll file a counter petition.
Yes, yes. Next.
Deeply obliged.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner.
In?
In item number 20, Your Lordship,
Yes. What do you want?
the leading counsel is having some domestic issue. Because of that, he is unable to attend.
M. Bagra.
Yes, Your Lordship. So
This-
kindly adjourn the
this is
matter.
your name, please.
Denny Dignam.
Danny Dignam. D. Dignam. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Bagra, learned legal aid counsel,
Adjourn the matter
submits that
for 3 weeks.
Mr. Bagra has some domestic problem, therefore he could not. He is unable to
Yeah.
argue the matter.
Yeah. My name is Joseph. Cannot.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
Then we'll say list this matter before any other appropriate bench. Without one of us
3 weeks, Your
Justice
Lordship.
Bihabu.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19 on behalf of N. Dangan.
Hmm.
Lordship, due to some personal difficulties, she could not appear today.
And
N. Dangan. Lordship,
item
kindly
19.
19, item number 19, yes. Kindly this matter may be listed on 4th.
This 2018 selection process, what's there? What to do?
Lordship, her minor child is not well.
Okay.
Lordship. And we have taken
Uh,
consent from the other parties. Also.
On the ground that Miss MS N. Dangan, learned counsel for the appellant has some personal difficulty today. Miss MS
B. Palon.
B. Palan, learned counsel appearing on her behalf, pressed for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Prayers allowed, list after 4 weeks.
kindly this may be listed on 4th August, Lordship.
Why?
We have some matters in trial court also, Lordship.
Hmm?
We have taken consent from the
Mr. M. Kato, learned DSJ is present.
obliged.
Not 4th, after 4 weeks. Before 4th, we will take it up.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, writ appeal number 30/26. On behalf of respondent, Lordship, I have taken concern of the appellant counsel, learned counsel, Mr. P. Tapo.
You are supposed to file affidavit.
Lordship,
You are supposed to file affidavit.
Lordship,
Okay.
it's not
On
ready,
the
Lordship.
prayer of Mr. Titaba, London State Rural Bank,
Lordship, after
for the respondent, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks
May I please, Your
for
Lordship?
filing affidavit. Affidavit in opposition.
yes, Lordship.
Yes.
May I pray for fixed date, Your Lordship?
Why?
Your Lordship,
Mr.
he may enjoy, Your Lordship.
Major Learned Counsel, but the appellant is present.
Maybe fixed on 22, Your Lordship.
Why?
July.
After 4 weeks, we'll see.
I'll reply.
Item number 1.
Is yes, Mr.
Yes, Lordship. The petitioner has filed PIL.
We have understood.
Yes,
There's no willful violation.
Yes,
Steps are being taken.
yes,
My
Lordship.
lord, we are filing an IA for extension of time, my lord, for granting some more time. It's a very sensitive issue, my lord. There are oppositions from many corners.
It's not actually sensitive, but you have
Yeah.
made it sensitive.
Public are taking it, they are misinterpreting the draft rules and
In
so
fact,
therefore,
our personal view is should not take that way. You are not able to make the people aware.
that we are now, therefore our IA also is that we are going to make them aware.
There's nothing like
Yes.
sensitive. In fact, we don't want to comment.
Yes, my lord. We are, that is the exact ground we are seeking.
The sensitive matter has been brought in unnecessarily.
Public has made it sensitive, my lord. That's the exact ground we are filing
Sensitiveness
the.
of the people has been unnecessarily brought in. Anyway, we don't want to
My
comment.
lord, can this be, we are filing an IA today. Let it be, before issuing any notice, my lord, can it be taken up on Friday, day after tomorrow, my lord,
What is-
along with our IA?
See, we find it, there's no willful disobedience.
Notice may be issued.
Efforts, other thing, no. We even if you find that there is a prima facie willful disobedience, then only notice will issue.
Yes.
Will issue notice. We'll see. You obtain instruction. Without
My
issuing
lord, we are
notice.
filing an IA.
Whatever you do,
Yes, my lord.
you obtain instruction. Heard, Mr.
S.C. Rang, Lordship.
Huh?
S.C. Rang.
S.E. Land Council for the petitioner. Next para. Prima facie, considering that there may not be a willful disobedience. No, we, having considered that there, having prima facie considered that there may not be a willful disobedience of the order of this court, comma, Mr. N. Ratan, Additional Advocate General, is directed to obtain instruction list after 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
We'll see.
Yes, Lordship.
Don't aggravate.
Okay.
Item number 3.
My lord, substantively, I have been heard. And, my lord, only one clarification I want to assist the court on page 89. On page 89, the Kharsa and Katoni or any other document, my lord.
Ha.
Just I made a small note.
Now just tell us. You just tell us, sir. Page 89.
Page 89.
Let's see.
Because my lord, that 13 December 2023 letter, 13 December 2023 letter, where we have been asked to submit those papers, and accordingly we have submitted our LPC dated 12/12/2023, my lord. Now, serial number 5 at page 89, my lord, will see, other the question has fallen from their lordships to lay my hands on Kharsa, Khasra, Katauni, or any other equivalent revenue document or certificate. Here, my lord, any other relevant document matters to me because I have submitted page 86, my lord, land availability certificate. And also, my lord, will see that I was in physical possession of the land. Now, what this note says, my lord, I have given a distinct clarification on this, my lord. My lord, permits I read it. The purpose of this short note is respectfully submitted to assist this honorable court on a limited question of land laws, whether the concept of Khalsa and
Sir, it's okay. You just tell us. We're not
this
for a-
Khalsa Katoni,
even for a moment. We're not saying that you should have the Kachra or Katoni kind of the paper.
analogy, my lord.
What we
I'm drawing
what-
analogy.
what we are on is that this your paper should be equivalent to those Kachra and the Katoni, which
that-
could be a land possession certificate, right?
Kindly, my lord, kindly
Land
see,
possession certificate.
my lord, kindly see the para 2 of my note, my lord. This will clarify, my lord. Kindly see. It is a plot-centric register. And Katoni owns centric holding ledger. Who is cultivating, my lord?
That's okay. Well, I'm not saying that you should have that. It would be more than enough
Correct.
if you have the land allotment or the LPC.
Only I see
The problem, your problem is the problem which the point which creates you a problem is that you have submitted a land certificate, land possession certificate, which of course we don't dispute, but you have submitted it after the last date of the application.
However, my lord,
That
it was required
that
only.
creates a hurdles for us to grant a relief.
I bore down, my lord. Only kindly see page 88,
Hmm.
which I referred to.
Hmm.
It is their volition that they have written that you should submit the LPC. So on their
That
asking only,
that-
on their
that
asking.
LPC would not be on that day. You submit the LPC
Hmm.
on or before the last date of submission of the application. Suppose you are supposed to submit on 29,
Correct.
say 29/7,
Hmm.
right? 2000, say 25. So you may submit this paper, LPC. It should be either before, on or before 29/7/2025.
No,
You may submit it after.
No.
On their asking, you
Yeah.
may submit it.
Correct, my lord.
But the LPC you have submitted is
No, my lord,
after the last date.
may I draw kind attention of
That-
lordship to
that
one
is-
of my
that-
statement.
That
One-
aids us.
Yeah, that's sir. May I draw your kind attention to one of my small submissions, my lord? I said the preliminary requirement is only the land available certificate according to them.
Where
So
it
which
is, where it is? Let us see.
Huh.
Where is the instruction? With the requirement of
my lord, just page 53 onwards, my lord, have to see
that 4 point something?
for EF, 4E and F, my lord, page
Yes.
53.
Oh, yes.
My lord, this 6 land, then my case comes under groups 3, my lord. Then my lord will kindly take to F. Anything? In addition to above, what is the requirement is this? In addition to above, as and when advised, my lord, kindly see, only the word advise, meaning thereby it is not mandatory or the mandatory, my lord, that I should submit that LPC on the last date of submission of the form. No, no. E and F is my case. Correct.
This hits you. Last line. The documents must have been executed, registered, issued
It is
on or
registered.
before the
Page
date of
86.
application.
Kindly see page 86. It is registered documents. My lord.
Hmm?
86. Yes, a revenue officers are registered.
This is certificate, availability certificate.
Correct, my lord. That's why
It's
it has
neither
to.
allotment order nor LPC. The document which they are seeking is copy of the following documents to establish ownership of land offered for
Okay.
dealers. The documents must have executed. This shall say any other type of ownership, transfer deed, lease deed or farm allotments.
My lord, can we appreciate together E, 6E,
Hmm.
as and when advised by the OMC, the provisionally selected candidate should upload a copy of Khasra, stroke Khatauni, or any other equivalent document or certificate obtained from revenue official confirming the status. This last
Read further.
obtained from revenue official confirming the status of ownership of the land as on date of application. As on
date of application.
I submitted the date of application. Page
But
80.
your submission is land availability certificate. It's neither land allotment nor
My lord,
LPC.
kindly read, my lord, kindly come to second line again.
Yes.
Khatoni or any other equivalent revenue documents.
Hmm.
This is a revenue document, my lord. I paid tax for this.
This availability certificate,
Yes. We pay.
it's just a certificate. By
Yes, my lord. For certificate also, there is a fees. We pay.
See, what we have understood is the Kachra and the equivalent document to Kachra or Katoni would either be land allotment or LPC, not the certificate of the revenue officer. It's not, is this your 86 is certificate only?
Let me convince my lord to F bullet point
We are not solved.
any other.
As of now, we are not solved.
No, my lord, that's within this only E and F. F I am reading, my lord. Kindly see the bullet point 1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
Any other type of ownership.
Yes.
Any other type of ownership stroke transfer this document, my lord.
Hmm.
Any other document, this will definitely fall under the definition of any other document, my lord.
He said, or any other equivalent revenue document or certificate.
Correct, my lord. Any other.
Any other equivalent, not only any other.
My lord,
It doesn't say any other document.
any other type of ownership, my lord. I'm reading this. Any other type of ownership.
Which one?
F.
You are reading this thing.
Page 53, my lord.
Okay.
Page 53, F, bullet point 3.
Hmm. Copy of any one of the following documents to establish ownership of land offered for ownership documents must have been executed. Registered sale deed, registered lease deed, any other type of ownership.
These are all disjunctive, my lord, not conjunctive even.
Hmm.
The word or is not there. And
See,
my lord will kindly impress upon the
insist
ratio
that,
of further
insist
skill,
that
lord.
when you have submitted,
Correct.
you could have submitted this page 86. subsequently you have submitted this page 86.
No,
Then there could be a little scope to.
no, my lord.
Little
Page,
scope to.
page 86, my lord, that this page 86, land availability certificate, 22nd September 2022.
Yes.
And 23 September 2023 was the last days of submission of the.
That's what I'm saying.
documents.
When you submitted,
Yes.
when you were asked to submit, you have submitted the documents which you have, the
No,
LPC, page 89 or something like that.
LPC is 89.
89, yes. Not 89.
91.
91.
They have raised this afterwards, my lord. They have raised this afterwards. LPC is not available.
Not 91. 98.
Okay.
Yes.
98 is the LPC, my lord. 12 December 2023.
That's what I'm saying. If you wanted to insist that this land availability certificate is equivalent to Kachra or Katoni,
Correct. That
you
is.
could have submitted that. Land availability certificate. That's why
This was already submitted. This was already submitted.
Now, when you are asked to make it conform, you have obtained this LPC subsequently, and
My lord, I agree. Only they wanted us to confirm whether this land belongs to me or not. Because availability certificate, it is issued by the circle officer, my lord, under principle at section 4F and section 6. So therefore, these documents cannot be brushed.
maybe you may not agree with us, but we have to read.
No, my lord, I cannot. No, my lord will have one
We have
view.
to read it, interpret, or in a
Yeah.
in its literal meaning.
Literal meaning and what is.
We're not supposed to read in between lines.
No, I'm not saying so, my lord. To only decide, my lord. But on the similarly situated thing, my lord, I just take 2-3 paragraph of page 54. 54 that WPC number 72 is 2024, my lord. Vanita Chopo, my lord. And then paragraph 5, I will not bother, my lords.
Page
154, my lord. On the similarly situated fact, my lord.
That has been referred to an
56, kindly come to page 156. 156. There are 3 paragraph is important for us. I'll do.
156.
Sri so and so for the petitioner has submitted that the issue concerned is a trivial one as the impugned author has taken into consideration the LPC, which was submitted at a subsequent point of time, my lord. Our is also subsequent point of time because on the 1st June 2024, they writes you have to submit this. So accordingly, we have submitted. He has submitted that irrespective of the issuance or submission of the LPC, there was no dispute with regard to the fact that the petitioner had owned a particular plot of land. Here, my lord, page 86, my case. In this regard, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to the certificate issued by the so-and-so, dated so-and-so. In the said certificate, the survey number was specifically written as number so-and-so. Along with the said certificate, cadastral was also enclosed by which the identity of the land could be definitely ascertained. He submits that it is only due to bona fide intention that the petitioner had subsequently submitted the LPC, which was issued in the meantime on 1/2/2024, and therefore there was no dispute or confusion raised on the identity of the land or ownership of the petitioner over the land in question. Sri so-and-so Learned Counsel also has referred to the so-and-so hereinafter as the Act of 2000, more specifically Section 4H, read with Section 6. As for Section 4H, survey and settlement officer fall within the clause of revenue officer, and Section 6, the power of such settlement officers have been laid down. Here, other day, my lord, I have drawn the attention of my lord that circle officer also has been empowered. Now, my lord, I read only para 6. Para 6 and 9, my lord. On the other hand, so-and-so Standing Council HPCL has submitted that the brochures accompanying the advertisement lays down the eligibility criteria under clause 4 of the brochure Such criteria has been laid down. Clause 4, Roman 6 pertains to the aspects of land as per which there are three groups, namely Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Group 1 pertains to the applicants having suitable piece of land in the advertised location area, either by way of ownership, stroke long-term lease for a period of 19 years, 11 months, or as advertised by the oil marketing company. Group 2 constitutes applicants having firm offer for suitable piece of land for the purpose for purchase or long-term for a period 19 years, 11 months, or as advertised by the OMC. And Group 3 constitutes applicants who have not offered land in application. He has submitted that the documents in support of the applications were to be submitted before the last date as mentioned in the advertisement. In the instant case, the last date of submission was so and so, whereas LPC is admittedly 01/02/2024. We have also admitted, Milord. He therefore submits that the impugned decision which has been conveyed by email dated so and so cannot be terms or unreasonable as the relevant factors have been taken into consideration. The court concluded at para 9, Milord. The advertisement which lays down the eligibility criteria under clause 4 also contains the aspect of land. The petitioner herein had applied as applicant under Group 1 as he claims to have possessed land, and in this regard he had submitted a certificate dated so and so. That's in my case page 86, issued by DLRSO, West Cumming District. It is not in dispute that the said certificate was existing before the last date of submission, or date of submission, which was 17/10/2023. In the given case, my lord, the case was allowed, and this I referred to, I placed before the learned single.
What is that certificate which was issued by DLRSO?
That was,
This
my lord,
case?
land availability certificate, my lord.
What does it indicate?
We have not enclosed the res petition. Well, this is the judgment of the single bench of this, which I referred to, my lord, rendered by His Lordship Mehdi. And this has not been put into challenge, and this order remains in force still, my lord. Huh? Huh? So therefore, my lord, I am leaving at the wisdom of their lordships to take a call on this. And I believe I have.
The application submitted, along with the petitioner has submitted the certificate issued by this so and so, in which the survey numbers was also mentioned. The petition consists to be submitted as process.
Ours is 86.
Such a land to be submitted as a process.
I'm not placed with him. Same. Place a map be, my lord. The survey number map is also there in my case. Page 86 and 87, my lord.
But single bench. This
no, that's why that's
no, single bench.
I bow down, my lord. But then the learned coordinate bench, my lord, have not recorded the reasons to overcome. Therefore, National Insurance Company judgment will come, my lord. If the order rendered by the earlier judgment, if their lordships find that it is not in accordance with the principle of the law, then the law says could have referred to the larger bench. Similar fact, my lord. This judgment was not properly appreciated by.
What is the rejection?
91, impugned communications. And we serial number 3, my lord, the first time the LPC was raised by them on 1st June 2024 communication, my lord. And second thing, my lord, land availability certificate is not valid. That has been that was held against the respondent by the learned single judge in the impugned judgment. LPC का गाइडलाइन तो था 1988 का, whereas Lalendra tapak का judgment में क्या tapak उसमें.
Basically, this has been done by the other respondent. However, from the record, if we relied the documents as referred by the Lanai Senior Council, then in that case, it has to be called for, as because it has been issued, seems to be issued by the DLRSO. We along with the entire documents like certificate, MAP, cadastral MAP. But the documents, at annexure, page number 86, there is no dispute that has been submitted. But then when it has been just to verify the substantiate that documents, he has been asked to produce the documents to demonstrate the legality and the validity of that documents, that was submitted, that was scrutinized, examined. Thereafter, that was not sufficient as per the direction of the company. Then the page 91 was issued. And of late, they came to know about this page number 91, which has been subsequently submitted. This was obtained much after the closure of the application. That's it, So therefore, the opinion of the company, it seems, even if page 91 documents is to be submitted, it has to be submitted. It has to be obtained on or before the date of the application. That is the only crux of the issue. Now, another question is, just to assist this noble code, from my side, the issue is the page number 86 is a valid documents for as per the direction given by the company in the brochure is to be considered as legal and valid documents for this purpose. And the documents which has been submitted subsequently has to be considered or not, Now, the issue is page number 86 has been admittedly submitted, but the page number 91 has been subsequently submitted. But that is much after the closure of the application date. So therefore, my just understanding of the records and the documents, and the understanding of the facts, this is not as per the as per the direction of the company, The company, this is a Oil India company, needs specific documents, specific direction, not by way of another matter. The document, the paragraph, the judgment which has been relied by the Lanai Senior Council, as I have submitted, if it is required, this record has to be called for, This has been issued by the DLRSO. And the DLRSO and the circle officer are in
One and the same. They are empowered together.
And whether documents has been verified, the examine cadastral map has been submitted or not, Availability is one thing, and the possession certificate is another thing. My respectful understanding of the documents,
My lord is aware how LPC is issued in Arunachal. It is by a notification of
No,
1988 notification, and that rule 143 does not come into play here. Kindly come to their annexure. They have produced page 123 in their affidavit in opposition. 121, my lord. 121. How this is the guidelines by means of an office memorandum. Issue of possession certificate procedure thereof. Page 121. It's not issued under the lender. It's not issued under the lender. LPC guidelines. Page 121.
Happy. It's been said on this, now your availability certificate will be availability documents.
Right. Indian gentleman, but very honest, ये भी बेकार है, input communication. Page 91. Holding cost. We didn't do what I wanted. Make sure the same case. We issue that to the elevation. So can't describe the lecture C can't describe it. Minutes. 1 minute. It go to what meeting? Minutes. One to one. Well, to kindly help.
Where is Mr. Tapak?
Junior was mentioning that,
Yes, Mr. Sibo. See, this is, we
Yes,
kept it
out of-
part hard because we have spent considerable amount of
You go
time.
by the affidavit, that's all.
And today
whatever
also, we have spent enough time.
Also, he's out of session due to the medical problems.
When is likely to come back?
After a week,
And in that case, we'll fix after the vacation.
Fine, my lord.
Where not yet solved. Except the single bench, learned single bench judgment, which is not binding on us.
No, that is not binding upon lordship. But then the learned single judge in the impugn order could not nullify the ratio laid down, and that judgment is still in force because that was not put into challenge.
Your note, it's enlightened us.
I am grateful.
But what we wanted is not that. You just show us the land availability certificate is as good as a land possession
My lord,
certificate,
answer is on the spot.
or equivalent to the Kachra or Khatoni.
Yes, my lord, answer is available on the spot. Kindly come to page 223 of the volume 7. In the Principal Act, if any document is issued by a authorized revenue officer, that itself is equivalent to Khasra and Khatoni.
Where does it say?
Who can issue the LPC or the allotment? And page 121, my lord, will see the guidelines for issuance of the LPC.
Suppose the LPC has to be issued by the deputy commissioner. If a certificate is issued by an officer subordinate to him, can it be equivalent document?
Correct.
Can it be
That is
equivalent
empowered by the Act itself.
to whom?
Kindly see, that's why I was referring to page 121. The guidelines for issuance. Please take out.
Page 21 of what?
121, 121, my lord.
121 of what?
Appeal, which is annexed by them only, my lord. And they have, this is the office memorandum 88.
This has been done away.
No, my lord.
After 2012, it should be done away. It should automatically.
No, my lord. Still, it is, the file is processed on the basis of this office memorandum still.
That is wrong.
That I don't know, but that is the state to clarify. That is the state to clarify, my lord.
What is that? This relevant?
But the process, how the process, this is the process zone.
No. What I'm saying is,
And
suppose
2000
LPC has to be issued. In that case, no land allotment can be given, right?
Correct.
The LPC has to be issued. Who has to issue LPC?
Deputy Commissioner and
So that's
ADC.
what I'm asking. Our query is, if the Deputy Commissioner is the authorized or the competent authority to issue LPC,
And
then if
123.
the land availability certificate is issued by an officer subordinate to him, can this be said to be equivalent to a
123, page 123, annexure D. All the ADCs.
your survey is not issued by ADC,
Yes.
by the circle officer. There is a difference between ADC and the circle officer.
LDC is issued, LPC is issued by ADC, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. Now, who has issued this, the land availability?
Land
86?
availability certificate is issued by the circle officer Yazli in terms of section 4, clause F, and read with section 6, wherein all the clauses under section 4, the circle officer or the district land revenue and settle officer have been empowered to issue the certificate.
Let us see that provision.
My
Let
lord,
us see that provision.
volume 7, please. 2 to 3, right? Your definition. 6.
Land Settlement Act. Land Settlement Act.
Correct. Doctor. Definitions. Take the card. 206, that also. 4. Appointment of, please read it together. Appointment of revenue officers. The government or such officer as may be authorized by the government in this behalf may appoint the following class of revenue officers, namely Revenue Commissioner ex officio, Deputy Commissioner, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Director of Settlement and Land Management, Divisional Officer, EAC Circle Officer, BDO, my lord.
So, has it been authorized? Circle officer, yes.
The act is.
No. Has he been authorized? The government or such officer as may be authorized by the government in this behalf.
Correct. That I have to check, my lord.
Yeah.
But there is an authorization. Therefore, that the legislator at their wisdom
You
must have
you may be partly correct.
143.
You may be partly
kindly
correct,
see,
but not fully correct.
The kindly section 6. It speaks so. My lord will see that, let me draw one analogy from the eviction unauthorized eviction premises.
Power to take cognizance of all matters
And under
to the survey of the land and the settlement and revenue rates and the preparation.
Correct. And
What
then
is the survey.
yes, Public Premises Eviction Act तो निकालो unauthorized वाला उसको हम drop कर हाँ the moment they are appointed क्यों ले
What is revenue?
see that 160
All matters concerning survey of the land, the settlement of the revenue.
160
Survey of the land and
again 130 or 160 160 I'll do it.
Deputy Commissioner, Competent Authority, Government Land mentioned.
section 3 का लगा
Yeah. Notify hindi mo po.
we can do more research. State officer call 121 to 8.
Yes.
Yes. COV. नहीं देते any officer पुलिस को भी दिया हुआ ना ST को state officer can be anyone notified में notification के बाद chief land act में notification का बात ही नहीं किया so meaning thereby the actors empowered to act.
Malad, we can also take the help of the additional advocate general, whether the circle officer who has issued the availability certificate has been authorized by law or not, Malad, by notification or any other documents. Malad. That help can be also taken from the additional advocate general. Malad. It is of Yazali, Malad.
No. In many districts, the circle officer and EAC are authorized to act as a dealer as well. There are so many instances. That is, my lord, which I was saying is internal office adjustment, my lord.
No. If you are relying on section 4, government has to authorize the particular person. They might have been authorized. And another issue would be, let's go a little deeper. What is revenue? Revenue land.
Our is
private
customary
land
based.
falls under the
No,
revenue
my lord.
land.
It is our land in Arunachal is based on customary right and personal.
Therefore,
It is not
you are since you are no. That is something different. We're not will not go into that. But since you are relying on section 4,
If my lord,
number one, whether the circle officer Yazari has been authorized or not under section 4. Number two, whether the land includes the private revenue land includes the private land. Because the section 6 authorized to survey the land and assess fix the revenue. With the survey of the land and settlement of the revenue rates and the preparation, maintenance, land records and other registered and sell excess also powers perform also inspection.
no, but in that, my lord, let me lay my hands.
It will hear you on some
My
other
lord, there
These
is-
issues, since you are relying on section 4 and this thing, we'll go into that. And we request the additional advocate general who is there.
Additional.
Mr. Ratan is
Let
also
us-
looking
let us
after
do
the land.
let us do some exercise.
My lord, I remember there is one judgment, Gokha Raju and Rangaraju judgment. If any action done by the officers in the previous government,
since you are-
that is not unconstitutional.
We have-
That I'll come back.
We have decided to defer the matter because in case your writ petition is allowed, looking at the single judge, the judgment,
Whether he has been authorized
We'll have
by
to
law,
hear-
not
hear him.
circle officers.
See, we'll just tell you, the issue is whether the number one certificate issued by the land circle officer can be construed as the land certificate or the land certificate, possession of the land or the ownership, number one. Because for private land, to establish the possession, and according to us, the LPC is not create a title also, ownership. But in the state like Arunachal Pradesh, LPC is the only way to show that you are having the legally or technically, it doesn't create a title. But it will not go into that for this purpose. So LPC is issued by the Deputy Commissioner. In fact, LPC has to be issued after the framing of the 2000 rule, land settlement rules. But then according to Learned Senior Council, still you follow the guideline issued in 1988. 88 or 98?
88.
There was a WARE guideline. Thereafter, the LPC has to be issued under the 2012 Act. That you have to clear.
2012 and 2012
whether
rules.
the LPC is issued under the old guidelines or the under 2012 rules.
Malot, I'll just in 1988 LPC guidelines that is followed for issuance of LPC. In 2012, under the Land Record Settlement Act rules, Malot, that the cadastral survey has to be completed. The government has to complete. Thereafter only, after all the claims and objections, after the draft cadastral map is completed, that is still under process. Therefore,
So you are following 1998.
1988,
Okay.
yes.
Number two, whether first question is whether the circle officer under Section 4 of the Land Settlement Act is authorized by the government. Circle officer, particularly Yazali, Circle Officer Yazali, has been authorized to issue authorized to act as a revenue officer.
Malot,
Section 4.
that question will come later on, my lord, because circle officer and all Section 4 of the Land Settlement Act, my lord, that will come into force after cadastral survey is completed. When the cadastral survey is complete,
That is under the rules only.
yes, that
Whatever the Land Settlement Act, you have provided Section 4.
yes, that after the cadastral survey is complete of the entire state, then
So you
after
cannot do anything.
No,
You
no.
don't implement the Land Settlement Act and rules.
my lord, that cannot be implemented
It is
now.
not enforced.
It cannot be
Are you saying
implemented.
so? Cannot is something different. Are you implementing it? Are you
Only in respect of the government, those land, the definition of government land is given, my lord. Section 9.
We are not on the government land. We are on the private land.
Yes, private land.
We are on the private land, not government land.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yes. Private land.
See, I'll tell you, there are for a private land, one certificate has been issued, namely land availability certificate by the Circle Officer Yazali. Right?
Yes.
Subsequently, ADC or Deputy Commissioner, ADC issued a land possession certificate. That we are not disputing. Issuance we are not disputing. What we are on is whether the revenue officer, the circle officer can be treated as a revenue officer who can issue a certificate as regards the private land. Because if you follow only 1988,
Yes. That is
it is only the Deputy Commissioner who will issue the LPC.
DC and
There is no other provision
Yes.
in the guideline.
Yes.
Now, according to the Mr. Tara, since Section 4 empowers the circle of includes the circle officer as a revenue officer under the Act, he can issue certificate for the private land.
My lord,
So when we read the section 4, it says government has to authorize these
Yes.
officers to act as a revenue officer.
yes.
Whether the revenue officer includes the revenue land includes the private land. This is the issues we were confronted. So we'd like to we have your assistance on the next.
Yes,
step.
yes, my lord. Otherwise, these, the revenue officers will, after the records are
We're
completed,
not on that.
then only that they can, as
So
per
indirectly,
the,
what you are saying, what you are saying is this act and rules are not being enforced.
no, my lord, still the cadastral survey is going on.
We're not on that. Are you?
Otherwise,
what
my- my lord,
are you? It is been enforced or not?
My lord, that's why, now, my lord, what I'm saying, this cannot be enforced right now. First,
It's not enforceable.
yeah, it cannot be enforced right now. First, the entire cadastral survey has to be done. Thereafter, claims and objections has to be
That we
taken.
have understood.
Then the records will be settled. Thereafter, only the revenue officers,
We don't know.
designated revenue officers, will be able to give any certificate after the records are settled. Otherwise, not.
You will never do the cadastral survey.
My lord, the cadastral survey is going on. My lord.
Ah.
Cadastral surveys
So
are going
according
on.
to you, whatever the certificate has been issued is all.
My lord, that's why certificates still now, it is being issued under the this guidelines of 1988.
So therefore, you are saying that since the Land Settlement Act and rules are not enforced and cannot be enforced, okay?
Yes.
So any officer who is authorized to act as a revenue officer are not valid.
They cannot now. They cannot, as of now, my understanding is they cannot, but because there will have to be a record.
And according to you,
Yes.
whether the land availability certificate can be treated as a land documents or the ownership of a private land.
My lord, like
Number one is whether the circle officer of Yajali particular has been authorized to issue a certificate in respect of the possession, ownership of the land, of a private land. Number two, whether the land availability certificate and the land possession certificate as synonymous or equivalent. See, we're confronted with the issue where we understand the availability of the land and the owners, I mean the LPC. But problem is the documents which is equivalent to some other the Kachra or Khatoni is not applicable in the, it is foreign to the state like Arunachal Pradesh. So the petitioner has submitted an land availability certificate at the time of application issued by the circle officer. Same area, same property, same land. And subsequently, when they have asked to submit the documents, equivalent documents, they have submitted the LPC certificate, issued by the ADC after the last date of, or the after subsequent to the date of application. So the issue is whether the land availability certificate issued by the circle officer can be treated as a land documents. So if can be treated, so far as if the authorities, the authority issued the certificate is authorized under the law, it can be treated because, is not it? The LPC, to our mind, although doesn't create a title or ownership legally or technically, but then state circumstances in the state may consider it to be a those who have LPC can be considered as an owner of the land.
That's why in our state, not means many people, they don't even apply for LPC. But at times to show their this ownership. Even Gaumburas, they certify that this land belongs to these people. Now, whether the Gamburas are authorized or not.
That we are not confronted.
Yes, my lord.
We're
But
not
where
confronting today.
even the Gamburas can,
We'll
even
take
the
care of
Gamburas,
that
they certify.
as and when it comes to us.
Yes, even the Gamburas certifies.
Where on circle officer today? Your officer.
My lord, just page number 100, if my lord can just flip.
Okay, well, since you are differing, let us not waste time.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Me? Titi Tara, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. G. Bam, Learned Counsel for the appellant. And also had Mr. M. Kato, Learned DSJ.
Correspondent number 1 only.
Correspondent number 1. It is again submitted by, no, after hearing the matter, Mr. Sibo, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tapak, again pressed for adjournment of the matter on the ground that Mr. T. Tapak, Learned Standing Counsel for IOC. IOC?
HPCL. HPCL.
HPCL.
Hindustan Petroleum Corporation.
SPCL. Respondent SPCL has some personal difficulty today. List of having considered that the land availability certificate has been issued showing the ownership of showing the ownership and possession of the land of the appellant by circle officer Yazudi. And subsequently LPC has been issued by ADC Yazeli. We request the learned Mr. Enratan Learned Additional Advocate General for his assistance in view of the peculiar circumstances prevailing the state of Arunachal Pradesh as regards the ownership and issuance of certificate of the private land. More so the Learned Senior Counsel, Mr. Tara, has relied on the section 6 and 4 of the Arunachal Pradesh Land Settlement Act 2000 to project that, to contend that the revenue, the circle officer is authorized as is competent authority to issue a certificate as regards the ownership of the land in terms of the above provisions. Considering the submissions of the prayer of Mr. The prayer of Mr. Sibo for adjournment is accepted. Accordingly, let this matter be listed.
21st.
On 21st is what? Tuesday,
madam.
21st?
Yeah. 21st July 20.
Sure. Tuesday.
Tuesday, madam.
On 21st, so and so for further consideration.
The status quo order passed shall continue.
Still there.
It's still there.
Status quo, the interim order passed, if any, earlier, if any, shall continue.
Grateful.
Item number 5.
My please, Lordship. This is a jail appeal, Lordship.
So, what is to be done?
Lordship, legal aid counsel may be appointed, Lordship, since there is a delay of 180 days, Lordship. Though they didn't file a separate IA, Lordship, but they mention in page number 29, Lordship, that there is a 180 days of delay, Lordship.
What is to be done? So we'll have to appoint.
Yes, Lordship. Post delay have to condone, Lordship.
Page 29 will not be enough. Page 29 will not be enough. Page 29. And Mr. What do you say? The learned public prosecutor for the state. Then we'll first appoint and we'll hear this criminal appeal. Is filed under criminal appeal under section 415 within bracket 2 of BNSS 2023. From jail is filed assailing the judgment of conviction and order of sentence dated 12/11/2025. Passed in Council Sessions case number 35 of 2023. Whereby the appellant has been convicted. What is this? Convicted and sentenced to undergo life imprisonment. A fine of rupees 10,000. And a sentence of and to undergo rigorous imprisonment 5 years with a fine of rupees 5,000 under section 392 IPC. And 1 year simple imprisonment with a fine of rupees 1,000 under section 224 IPC with default stipulations. Next minute. Mr. to appoint legal aid counsel. Live. Who is available?
No one is Lordship. C Modi is available.
Huh?
C Modi, since it is a matter, sentence is for death, life and Lordship.
So,
C Modi is available, Lordship.
Mr. C. Modi.
Serial number 14, Lordship.
Learned counsel is appointed as legal aid counsel. Legal aid counsel.
Yes.
For the appellant. Next para. Then we'll direct him to file document condemnation. The registry to what is the relevant papers. See, there's a delay of
180 days, Lordship.
180 days filing the appeal.
Oh.
You file formal condemnation petition.
So, Lordship,
Or you just go through it. Page 29 is also mentioned. Can be done also. It is jail appeal. So you go through this. We'll list after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. You go through this. It is mentioned in para 6 of the paper. List after 3 weeks.
Definitely.
Item number 6.
May it please your Lordship.
Is it this matter or they came there? Guardian. Great.
May it please your
Yes,
Lordship.
sir.
This is a statutory appeal against a conviction and sentence for 20 years, my lord.
I also application was in suspension of the sentence range, huh? Judgment and all. Yeah. Sentence that is same order should not. Yes. It's to be done today. Heard, mister?
My
No. We'll say award service report in respect of respondent number 4. Respondent number 3. This after 4 weeks, Mr.
Lordship.
K.
Lordship.
K. Tasi, learned counsel for the appellant, petitioner, and Mr. M. Kato, learned DSCA are present. Well,
Item number 11.
Not on the last occasion, the regional officer and
yes, he's there. Yes, sir. We have, in fact, requested you to appear.
Yes, sir.
Let us have some solution
Yes,
as expeditiously as possible.
we are trying to do that, sir, and
We don't draw pleasure calling you here,
yeah, I
or
understand.
neither to take up the matter. We want a solution.
Yes,
Can you
we're trying for
tell
that,
us?
sir. 26, as soon as the chief engineer submitted us the balance amount for the work. Yesterday, we had already sent to the ministry recommending that state will be allowed to invite the tender on that basis, while the process of sanctioning or revised sanction will continue simultaneously, so that we don't lose time. So waiting for sanction and then calling for tender, we'll lose that much time in there. So we're trying to expedite that in that manner. However, sir, there's one rider, like today morning, what I discussed with the chief engineer is that they're still working out on some details of the work. So whatever was submitted on the 26th, that might be revised. So as soon as that is submitted, we'll ensure that immediately we will send it to Delhi, sir, for their consideration and approval.
How long it will take, approximately?
As per the discussion with the chief engineer today, is that 2 to 3 days, you'll take time to work out the further details. As soon as that comes to us, we'll try to send it within 2 to 3 days itself from our side. If everything is clear to us, then it will not take much time, sir.
But we just wanted to know, approx.
That's what, sir. If he submits this fresh estimate within 2 to 3 days, that means today is 30th, so by 2nd or 3rd, then by 5th or 6th, we'll be able to send it to the ministry.
That's what I'm saying. 6th, you'll be able to send it by 6th.
Yes.
Then how long the ministry would?
Sir, I'll follow up with them, sir, personally.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Because
So normally, how how you work, how you function, you must be some idea that this much of time that's why we said
yes,
ultimately.
So for allowing us, giving us the in principle approval, at the most 3 to 4 weeks, it will take time in the ministry. And further, in case the costs increase, then it will have to go to finance. That will take a little more time. But that will, if the in principle approval for tendering comes to us, we can issue the tender. So simultaneously, this will go on, sir. So by the time we finalize the tender, that sanction also will come.
Okay.
So we'll be able.
So before the sanction, you can go for tender.
That is what we had asked the approval from the ministry, sir.
Because you cannot afford to keep it pending for a certain
Yes,
time.
sir.
It's not something like different kind that you are constructing a new road or
Yes,
something
yes.
like in some isolated place or something like that. It's the heart of the city. Is that it?
Yes.
So what we do now, this is something, I mean,
Yes, yes.
beyond everyone's,
I guess we can only wait.
beyond everyone's control.
Yes, we can only wait and hope.
Yes.
My lord may direct them, the state,
Hmm.
to send whatever is required immediately, so that the ministry can work on it.
So in that context also, even the additional director general on 22nd had taken a meeting.
Uh-huh.
So he was stressing on this to expedite the submission of this proposal.
From what
So in that
It
case,
appears now,
huh,
it is the state that has to first send it, the revised estimate.
who is the chief secretary, I mean, chief engineer?
Chief engineer is
Let us, what do you say?
CS Chotang.
yes.
What about the maintenance?
Maintenance, the
Sir, maintenance, we have already sanctioned was a short-term maintenance contract for this section. Today is the last date for submission of bids, sir. So tomorrow we'll be opening it.
Okay,
And hopefully
next 2 weeks,
in 2-3 weeks, we should be able to get a contractor at this.
So we'll, there's no other way, there's no way out. We'll fix after 4 weeks and we'll direct the state as well as the response to come up with the progress, progress of the actions you have initiated. We're expecting that by within these 4 weeks, everything will be completed. So far as your
The maintenance
process and all that thing. And the maintenance to, okay, that also we'll just ask for the status.
Yes.
Progress and status of the actions you have initiated. Okay. It would heard Mr. The senior counsel assisted by
Opangam.
Opangam counsel. Take your seat. Your name?
Thanks. One Pinchingan Langbla, sir. One Pinchingan Langbla.
Yes.
Yeah, just short.
If your lordship permit, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, if your lordship permit, my lord, I have just one.
Now we are not interested on you.
Lord, just one aspect to that, Lord, I have instructions to place before your lordship, Lord. Since our contract has already been.
Yes, sir. Also heard Mr. Which
Lord,
one?
since our
Encato.
Let I put the respondent number.
Okay. Mr.
1 to 5.
And Dr. Planet Edison and Deputy General for the state. Correspondent to 1 to 5.
May I please, Lordship, in pursuant to the appointment of earlier Eastern Council of Highway Department, so to the designated senior advocate, I have recently been appointed as Eastern Council of Highway. So today I'm appearing for first time. I'm representing respondent number 4 and 5.
1, 2, 3. Mr.
R. Miller.
R. Miller.
Yes.
Council, State Council. What do we call? National?
Yes, R. Miller.
National Highway.
Yes.
Highway.
PW Highways.
PW Highway.
PW Highways.
State Highway. PW Highway.
Yes.
Correspondent 3 and 4. You assist, coordinate with them. You be there, but you assist and coordinate with them.
Yes.
I mean, you coordinate with the Learned Additional Advocate General as well as the DSJ.
Yes.
We have to get it done. Right?
Yes.
It's not that you are appearing for the first time. That's why we're just apprising you.
Okay.
Do you have the brief?
Yes.
Go through the records and what's happening around. All right.
I'll assist.
So
AG.
Chief Engineer Highway has to. Have you heard? You are supposed to prepare the thing, papers, and send it to the MOT.
Okay. Comply.
So you don't act independently. Coordinate with additional AG and the Deputy Solicitor General. All right.
Yes.
So that things is done. Right.
Oblets.
Next para. In deference to the order of this court, dated 23/06/2026. Mr. So-and-so. Got it? Name. Your regional officer, sir.
Yes, sir, given the designation also.
What has appeared before us today. List of the officer has informed that the for first tender of the work in question is under active consideration. List of he submits that on discussion with the Chief Engineer Highway, Arunachal Pradesh, the Chief Engineer has assured that the revised estimates and other requirements for sanction and approval of the project for fresh tender would be submitted within 4 days from today. Mr. On receipt of such required documents, same shall be forwarded to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, and assured to follow up the matter and to get the things completed. In case the process is completed as expeditiously. Mr. Having considered above, we deem it appropriate to defer the matter for another 4 weeks. Mr. On the next date, the respondents the learned addition Advocate General and London Standing Council Highway, Arunachal Highway, as well as Mr. M. Kathod, learned DSGOSL, filed the progress and status report of the matter. Mr. We hope and trust that, it is expected that within this 4 weeks, the respondents would complete the process of the requisite process for the commencement of the work.
Fresh tender.
For fresh tender. Mr. The maintenance of the road in question shall continue.
Has to be finalized, self-finalized, and
For the maintenance of the road in question shall be finalized within a week.
That night, I have to take instructions.
Yes, what do you say? Any instruction?
Yes.
It's the last day.
Last day you completed within 1 week. All right.
Without instructions, how much the procedure you have to see.
You do it on priority.
As expeditiously as possible, ma'am.
As expeditiously as possible, but not later than 10 days.
Yes.
10 days from today. And they immediately commence the maintenance work.
They can do it in a hurry when they want to. Yes. And once your lordship, they will have to now.
List on when. You give them fixed date so that you can.
Yes.
After 4 weeks, madam.
28 July.
The appearance of
August.
The appearance of Mr. Swensa, Officer Swensa, is different with for a time being. Sir, we may request to come again
After 4 weeks.
So, may I
And
make a
don't,
submission?
don't,
This will be in the.
May I make a submission?
don't trouble yourself.
No, it's okay, sir.
For-
Just want to make a submission regarding.
Again and again.
Sure, sir.
When-
No problem.
We understand.
Sure.
You have other business to.
Just one submission I want to make, sir, regarding the bid finalization, sir.
Yes.
As of now, we don't know how many bidders are there. If there are 1 or 2 bidders, then maybe it is possible for us to complete within a week. But if there
You said
are
10 days.
more number of bidders, it may take more than 10 days. Because some of the bank documents which they submitted, that has to be
15 days.
confirmed also.
In that case, 15 days.
So
15 days.
3 weeks, I think that should be
No, don't make it 3 weeks. 15 days.
Yes.
Make it 15 days.
fine.
Because you just have a survey. We request you.
I've
We're
seen, I've been
we're
there.
not directing.
I've been
Since you are here, you are in your office is at
Itanagar. So you should
Itanagar.
know.
No,
where you are in Itanagar.
no, sir. Our office is located in Tezpur.
You are staying in
Yes,
Tezpur.
yes, sir.
So have a look around.
Yes.
No, I've
From Nirjuli to
Sure, sir.
Kapunala.
Yes.
Just on a humanitarian approach
Yes.
for the public. We're not directing you. We request you just look around, visit around.
It's like traveling on speed breakers.
Okay. Okay.
4th August.
Practical
4th August.
suggestions from.
4th August.
4th August.
Yes, it's Tuesday.
4th August.
Yes, 4th August.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Item number 13.
Those steps has already been taken for service to private respondent number 9.
When?
As per the previous order of this honorable court.
This order, this office note says otherwise.
Right.
You have not taken steps. Anything you can,
This one,
can you show anything that you have taken steps?
no, I have given it to Bagra.
We don't know. Don't tell all this thing before the court.
Okay. But Lordship, one more thing. I have already served the justice service to the respondent number 9.
File an application for the affidavit for that. If you have served with justice, were you allowed to? Have you been permitted to take justice? This is
No, meantime, this is
respondent number.
the steps has been taken on my own violation.
You file an application.
Okay.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have.
You file an affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Although office note dated 29/6/2026 indicates that no fresh steps has been taken upon the respondent number 9, Mr.
Answer.
N. Saha, Land Council by the petitioner.
Yes, it's an organization.
Petitioner submits that steps has been taken through justice. It has been taken upon respondent number 9 through justice. Where is the receipt? This
Lordship,
Tokoraj is the
Yes,
respondent number 9.
respondent 9. Proprietor of that enterprise.
Receipt has been taken through dusty mode. No, it has been taken by furnishing the copy to the respondent number 9. Respondent number 9.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is respondent number 9? No. Taken by furnishing the copy of the petitioner, the copy of the writ petition to the respondent, to the proprietor of respondent number 9 on his own volition. He, 1 April 2026, 4 August 2026. 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 4 August
and has been duly accepted by one Sri Toko Raja, the proprietor of respondent number 9. This considering about learned counsel for the petitioner to file an affidavit regarding proof of dusty service to the respondent. Proof of notice upon proof of taking notice proof of notice upon respondent, serving of notice upon respondent number 9. Within 7 days, you file it and will consider and list the matter after 4 weeks. We take it back. See, Dusty, you need to take an order from this court. It has to rotate through the registry. Otherwise, you will not just, we don't know whether it's his signature or not. This is not,
Yes.
not as per the procedure, right?
Understood.
For a time being, it's a PL, so we're just like, all right.
Item number 14.
Service upon private respondent is affected, my lord.
It's complete. It's only for filing affidavit of Mr. Learned Counsel, Titi Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Jiba Learned Counsel for
My lord, we thought of,
petitioner.
my lord,
Mr. N. Ratan Learned additional advocate for the state respondents. List for admission after 4 weeks.
well, some fixed date because there is predicament going on.
What is the petition about?
Challenging
the rule.
Challenging the rule, my lord, is all about skill and unskilled.
Okay.
Skilled has been
After 4 weeks, give the date.
6 August.
6 August. 6 August will be too long, my lord. There is some urgency because DPCs are going on. Junior unskilled people are being promoted.
Before that, you just give
29,
30, 30.
28 July.
28th July, fine.
28th July.
You just write it up.
Item number 15.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a criminal appeal against the impugned judgment and order.
191 days. Yes.
Your Lordship, in item number 15, they have filed an IA for condonation of delay, Your Lordship. Notice may be served to the respondent number 2, Your Lordship. Since this is also a case of POCSO, Your Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. Tita Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Next, this is an application under Section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act 1963, praying for condonation of 591 days, for condonation of delay of 591 days in filing the criminal appeal number 20 of 2026 against the judgment order 0509/2024 and order of sentence dated 11/09/2024. Passed in POCSO case number 44 of 2028. Convicting and sentence the petitioner, the appellant to rigorous imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 30,000 to report pollution. Is the issue notice returnable by 3 or 4 weeks? Is there an MSP Jenny Learned Additional PP case for respondent number for state respondent number 1? Petitioners to take the steps. So this should be as per
Notification 17, Your Lordship.
be taken in terms of notification 17, so and so, huh?
Deep.
Item number 16.
16 is?
This is also a criminal appeal
Ah.
against the judgment and order passed by the special court.
Same.
Same. Sentencing the appellant for death sentence.
Huh? Death sentence.
Yes.
Death sentence.
Item number 17 and 18.
Deep.
I guess for what?
I ballot earlier for realignment, my lord. I have filed this document, my lord. However, my lord, we have asked the consultant, my lord, for the DPR, my lord. But it seems, my lord, the rate, there is a lot of variation in the rate, my lord. Therefore, we have filed our objection, my lord. We are yet to receive any instruction, my lord, from the MOT, my lord.
So you need instruction.
Yes, my lord. Further instruction, my lord.
Further instruction.
Yes, my lord.
Last time you were given.
Yes, my lord. But then, my lord, this document was filed on 6/6/25, my lord. Thereafter, by this.
On the prayer of Mr. Hope the consent for the applicant for the 3 weeks time is happy to obtain instruction. For the 3 weeks time to obtain instruction in terms of the order 3004/2026.
My lord. My lord.
Same instruction.
No, my lord. We have
Further 3 weeks time to obtain instruction.
Yes, sir.
Mr. K. Lolen, London Constitutional Petitioner. Mr. Anderton, London Edition. As well as Mr. T. Metro. On behalf of the. Why DAJ is here? He's so busy. Appearing on behalf of Sensor, DAJ are present. Just after 3 weeks.
That's
obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 22.
Yeah.
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, can I pray for a fixed date?
Fixed date, Lordship.
Will be easier after vacation.
After vacation, was any fixed date, please? 21 July.
21. 22.
And let it be 22, Lordship. 22 July. 22 is Wednesday. Oh, so 21 July, Lordship.
Then 24. 23, 23.
24.
No, Thursday.
23, 23.
23.
23.
5 July, Lordship. Item number 23.
Yes, Lordship. I'm appearing for the state respondent. I'm appearing for the state.
Who is for the appellate?
Judge in Lordship.
Not interested to what?
I don't know.
Where is? Dismiss for default. What is there? We will do it.
23 again. Yes, Lordship.
Ready?
Lordship, in fact, today I'm not ready to argue this matter.
Why? Well, we thought we'll dismiss for default.
Lordship, so why, Lordship, I need to have a full preparation on this matter.
Why? What is there? Nothing.
Lordship, in fact,
You have been paid already.
Lordship, that is admitted, but
70.
at that point of time also,
72.
at that point of time also,
Your
Lordship,
parents, the properties have already received it.
that is
Accepted
disputed,
it.
Lordship. That is in fact disputed, Lordship.
Huh?
That is disputed, in fact. That is for
We'll
for
go
trees.
with what they say.
Lordship, in
Once
fact,
you have-
state in admission with whatever I am submitting, Lordship.
No, state, they say they don't have the records. Forget it.
Lordship, that's why, Lordship.
Once the requiring authority has already paid the amount, if they they lost the records or misplaced the records, how do you know? How do you blame the requiring authority?
Lordship,
Through army.
Lordship,
Army.
I'm also, Lordship, yes. Lordship, I'm also pointing that that
Dismissed.
procedure was not followed.
Doesn't matter. How can you do that?
Lordship,
After the-
I'll come up with.
It's not that they have been illegally occupied and nothing has been paid. Just because the state has, misplaced or lost the records, you cannot take advantage of that.
Lordship, in fact, the law says otherwise, Lordship.
What law says?
Lordship, is at that point of time also, Lordship, land acquisition was
But you
1894
have
was there.
accepted that. In that case,
Lordship, in fact, they were at that point of time, Lordship. Our forefathers, they were illiterate, Lordship. The authority concerned, they ought to have guided them.
you're not better than us.
So, in such cases, Lordship, there are case laws, Lordship, which says that it has to go as per the procedure and laws.
No. That will be the case where no payment was done, there's no acceptance. See, your fathers have some respect for them. Let their soul rest in peace. I've accepted this. Then after that, how can you again reopen it? This is something.
Lordship, that is in respect of standing trees and crops, Lordship, not for the land, Lordship.
That was compensation was paid. It was deposited. You have accepted it.
Now, Lordship,
That cannot be allowed.
Lordship, that Lordship might have seen the procedure also, Lordship, how the
Doesn't
procedure was.
Anyway, if you have some difficulty, otherwise nothing.
Lordship,
On 23rd. Right? On 23rd.
I'll come up with some.
We'll finish it up. And don't rely judgment which is not relevant.
Lordship, I'll try to find out some relevant judgment to this case. Lord.
Simply matter is your fathers or the forefathers have accepted the compensation, less or high. Doesn't matter. Once it is accepted, you just cannot turn it on say. All right.
Lordship, not as per the law, Lordship. Lordship, I'll come up with some.
You have accepted.
There is an agreement also, Lordship.
Yeah.
We are not.
Yes, sorry. This way. On the prayer, Mr. Judge in the London Constable, the appellant that this matter be listed on 23rd. And you record the event. P. Sangeeta, London State Council, and Mr.
M. Sora.
London Council for London State appearing for Mr.
M.
Katul.
Correspondent number 1678.
Kindly request London Deputy Solicitor General of India to present on 23rd so that we can complete the matter. All right.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 10, your lordship. On behalf of N. Dangan, your lordship. Your lordship, on the last occasion when the matter had come up on 26/6, both the party had consented for fixing the matter on 30 July, your lordship, but it has been wrongly reflected as 30 June, your lordship.
Okay.
So,
As spread for by the parties that this matter be listed on 13th
July, your lordship.
July.
Yes, sir. There's an interim, your lordship, may continue that.
13/07/2026. Interim order passed and yes, will continue.
Deep.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 on behalf of you, Decker.
13.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. These were orders. What is to be done? Have you taken the?
Yes, I have taken consent from other party.
You are,
I am part of petitioner.
okay, you are for
Respondent,
on the prayer of Mr.
M. Dui,
M. Dui,
Yes.
Council appearing on behalf of Mr. U.
U. Dekar.
Learned Council for the respondent. And the prayer not being objected to by Mr. C. Modi, Learned Council for the petition, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
My lord. And in the meantime, my lord, the interim order passed earlier be
What interim
continued.
order?
My lord, petitioner has not to be released, my lord.
Okay, interim order passed earlier, shall continue.
All right.
All right.
Item number 1,
My appearance.
Yes.
My lord, I have a limited case in this. Though this is pertaining to the NIT, but I will take the lordship to the page number 30. Here in this case, my lord, as per the orders of this honorable court, the title suit is pending. I will take the lordship to page number 30.
30?
30, my lord. Para 28.
Land is under the possession of?
Under the possession of respondent number 6, ITBP of the Lee Making Manor. Accordingly, the petitioners are granted the liberty to file a appropriate title suit before the jurisdictional civil court within the period of 30 days.
Page?
Page 30, 30 mal.
Ah.
This order was well, 28, para number 28. Accordingly, the petitioners are granted to liberty to file the appropriate title should be before the jurisdictional civil court within the period of 30 days from the today. Till the filings of the title suit by the petitioner, the parties are directed to maintain the status quo. It is made clear on the expiry of the 30 days to maintain the status quo by the parties here in above shall be automatically stand vacant and it will be within the jurisdiction of the jurisdictional civil court to pass the order on its merit. So, my lord, while filing this, the order passed by the deputy commissioner, where the deputy commissioner has rejected the claim of the petitioner, was, my lord, set aside by this honorable court by this order. Now, in consequence to that, my lord, we have filed before the, we are appearing title suits before the concerned authorities, Civil Judge Senior Division at Daporijo, which is still pending, my lord. So, in due course of the time, my lord.
You approach him.
My lord.
NIT is not beyond his district jurisdiction.
My lord. So, my lord.
You approach them.
My lord, why we are here, my lord, this NIT is, my lord, beyond the...
Challenge to the NIT since the title suit is pending, therefore NIT should not be issued.
My lord, that is my case.
That we cannot. If you are on the, if that is your only ground, you approach the civil court.
My lord. At the same time, my lord, the civil court is not in position to take up the matter
That we
pertaining
cannot.
to the...
That we are helpless. Why?
Civil court is not in position to take up the matter pertaining to the NIT, my lord. Therefore, I am here before the lordship.
No. You can bring in. You are not challenging that the procedure of the NIT. You are saying that then belongs to you.
My lord.
You have filed the injunction or whatever appropriate application.
We
Just
have
your
a
liberty will just.
limited period that, my lord, the
No, we cannot.
NIT should not be concluded.
No. Sir, we cannot. Either you withdraw or dismiss your petition. You are not challenging the NIT as such.
Of course, you are challenging that
You are
this NIT
challenging
should be.
because the
the
proposed works
proposal works is within
your
disputed area, which is
so you
pending.
the civil court
Mal.
will give you liberty.
My lord. With the liberty, my lord, this, I'm ready to accept, my lord, with the liberty, my lord.
Then you withdraw it. Withdraw the writ petition.
My lord, I'll
See, NIT can be challenged if you are a participant, if you are the prospective bidder or something like that, and all those things.
my lord.
You are not connected. You are not a bidder.
Exactly, my lord.
You are
I'm
not
neither
connected.
bidder nor any
You have
connected
nothing
with.
to do with this.
Only, my lord,
Only
our submission is that
the
they,
title hasn't been decided.
that yes,
This
yet
is
to be
within the-
decided.
Within the under the
Disputed-
position of
disputed
the ITBP.
Exactly.
So withdraw and you approach. We'll give
Exactly.
you liberty to approach this thing.
My
But Mr. C. Modi, London Council Modi petitioner, fairly submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to approach the appropriate civil court. Allowed. According to the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
my lord, with liberty,
as per.
with liberty to
But
approach
it is
this
not
civil
required
court.
in fact.
All right, my lord.
Item number 2.
May I plead your lordship?
How can you challenge it? You participate, what's there?
My-
You're rightly, if you are clean, you'll be, what do you
My
call,
lordship, I have.
exonerated.
This,
But this-
PCCF does not have the jurisdiction, my lordship. PCCF, my lordship. I
What
have
PCCF?
issued the jurisdictional issue I have taken,
What jurisdictional issue?
my lordship.
What jurisdictional issue?
My
Are you
lordship.
saying that the CCS rules doesn't,
My lordship.
it has not been
My
applied?
The impugn order has been signed by my lordship.
Huh?
Impugn order has been signed
By whom?
by the PCCF, my lordship.
So, who's the authority, disciplinary authority?
My lordship, as per the act, my lordship, a competent authority, my lordship,
Is who?
is in the name of governor, it may be signed, my lord. Is there any delegation of power? Is there, my lordship?
Total conception.
And moreover, my
Misconception, I have read your petition. Number one, is not a competent authority, disciplinary authority, because the governor is not signed it. Number two, the CCS rules doesn't apply. Because there is no, adaptation. Why not? Whether it has been adapted or not.
my lord. And moreover, I am not
Not
the
only.
executing.
Just say you have been given an opportunity, they have initiated, that's all. You cannot interpret such sort of thing.
I'm not the executing authority also, my
Doesn't
lordship.
matter.
And my,
Tell them. You tell them, you participate. You have given an opportunity, that's all.
we have filed representation.
Yes, Dora, try to understand.
My
In certain areas, we cannot. You participate.
lord. We have
Notice, you have filed a representation.
yes, my lordship. And I have been signaled out only.
Initiated.
My lord.
They have initiated.
No, my lordship. Kindly see the
There's nothing to be looked into. Try to understand. Participate. If anything goes against you, come back. We'll see.
my lordship.
In fact, my lord,
I have been signaled out.
in
my
fact, it's
lordship.
already started, my lord. Only one hearing is already done, my lord.
I have submitted on the representation also, my lordship. Kindly see the confidential report, connection 9, my lordship.
No.
It has been signed on 18 September 2005, but digitally signed on my lordship. And
Nothing. We can do the way to.
and I am not the executing authority also, my lordship.
It's not a way to challenge the permanent proceeding.
I am not the
Remedy after if you are clean, you may be, you will not, nothing will.
even in fact monitoring report also in my favor, my lordship.
These are not the grounds, we can consider at this stage. Don't expose yourself. Don't expose yourself. Even if you say notice. I would not, I should not say, they'll take advantage. Therefore, nothing.
Only is that, my lordship, the work have been executed by the ranger, my lordship.
So that is a matter to be matter to be, I mean, seen in the departmental proceedings, not by us.
Then discipline our representation, ma'am, at least they should consider the.
How can you say that you don't consider the representation not to act with?
No, at least our representative should consider what we have stated, my lordship.
Heard, Mr. Will simply issue notice, that's all.
Notice may not issue, because why I'm saying, my lord,
Say instruction. Heard, Mr.
my lord, process has already begun, my lord.
Will not say anything. We'll direct you to obtain instructions. on next day, you think over, you will dismiss the repeat. That you understand, sir.
Yes, my lordship.
Because any observation made by your lordship may adversely affect him also, my lord. It's likely to be, my lord. So it's better, my lord, he should participate.
I'm trying to indicate.
My lordship.
Think about your client. Even if you keep it pending, it may go against you.
As per my instruction, he has been signaled out. Only he has been signaled out, my lordship. And although this work has not been done by him also, my lordship.
You know that you cannot be. Is the allegation, it will be without, proceedings, you will not be punished. You've initiated already. You properly defend yourself, that's all. These are the things which you are taking, it's to be taken up by there only. You have a proper defense, that's all. Unfortunate that it has to be initiated against you.
In the inspection report.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so, what's your name?
SB Lashkar, my lord.
Huh?
SB Lashkar.
SB Lashkar. Think over, I'm just giving you a chance.
My lordship.
Learn counsel for the petitioner. As spread for, let this matter be listed on 20/06/20. I'm just giving a breathing space.
Breathing space.
Item number 3.
Maybe 27, my lordship. 27, my lordship. On 27.
Are you getting what I'm trying to indicate?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lordship.
It cannot be.
Yes, my lord.
His reputation is not maintainable at all.
Highly obliged, my lordship.
May I please, my lord? My lord, this writ petition is challenging the legality and validity of the show cause notice
What show was not?
being issued by the respondent to they have self-proclaimed that they are affects customary code of Arunachal Pradesh. So, lordship, just read out the show cause notice, my lord. It is in page number.
It's not under 226. They are the recognized.
No, my lord, they are not recognized as a customer, affects customary code, my lord. So they have no any jurisdiction to entertain the matter which has already decided by the inter-village customary code, my lord, as per Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act, my
What
lord.
is the apex court?
So they have proclaimed that they are the FX code. In fact, my lord, as per Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act amended in 2022, whatsoever decision being made by the village authorities.
You under 227, we'll see, not 226. All right. Heard, Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel by repetition. Not heard, Mr. Sorry. And Rama, learn counsel by repetition submitted. He may be allowed to load the repetition with the liberty file afresh. 226, take some other grounds.
My lord, I have filed 226.
227. 227.
All right.
226. MS so-and-so. Repetition is present.
Item number 4.
Wait, Mr. Lord.
Yes.
The Deputy Commissioner, my lord, who no longer has any judicial authority, is getting into a dispute that has already been decided by civil court. Your lordship may kindly have, I will just point out, page 26. This is the land possession certificate.
Why not 227?
226, my lord.
Why not 227?
Because he's an executive authority now. It is the deputy commissioner who wrongly exercises that power.
Page
26.
ah,
Total area your lordship will see 19521.
hmm,
Memo number at the bottom.
hmm,
LMZ LPC Y-2 such and such.
hmm.
Now your lordship will kindly page 30. I'm sorry.
30.
30. I filed a title suit. Page 31. Suit is for declaration of title of plot of land comprised of paddy field and dry sajja measuring 19521, same area.
Hmm,
And the description of the LPC your lordship will get at page 39.
hmm.
Issue number 3.
Okay.
Where the plaintiff is LPC holder of the suit land.
Hmm.
At page 40, your lordship will find the memo number and the date. Same as annexure 2. The suit was declared in my favor.
Hmm.
Decreed at page 45.
Hmm.
Same area, same LPC. Thereafter, after having lost without filing an appeal, the private respondent starts approaching the additional deputy commissioner sometimes, sometimes the village of Gaumuras. They keep on issuing summons. I continue to reply that it has already been settled by civil court.
Ah.
Ultimately, at page 52, since this is keeps on happening now, I'm before lordships.
52.
52.
But
Whereas
Deputy Commissioner.
Deputy Commission. Complaint has been received from some for cancellation of LPC number such and such. Same. That's same. Undersigned. As such, your direct appear before this court of the undersigned. This has a connection with the land dispute case. How can the Deputy Commissioner, who is an executive authority, now decide? In any case, assuming there was no decree also, he could not have decided.
Heard Mr. Deepang, learned senior counsel assisted the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, petitioner.
Petitioner. Impugning the notice dated 26/01/2026 passed by the issued by the ADC for Deputy Commissioner.
Yes.
K. Panyo District, Yachuli. This petition is instituted. Issued by way by the petitioner is directed to appear before the Deputy Commissioner in connection with land dispute case. Kamadana district petition is instituted. Next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that a land dispute measuring 19521 square meters located at Nutkeka, Rublin village within Brikit Taluk, was known as Nutkeka. Under the jurisdiction of the Division Commission, West, within Brikit West, actually. In the district of Cape Panya has been already decided in favor of the petitioner by decree of the
Civil Judge Senior Division.
Jurisdictional Civil Judge Senior Division 0, whereby the title suit filed by the petitioner has been decreed in this paper. Mr. It is submitted that since the matter has, since the land dispute has been already decreed in this paper, by conferring the title in favor of the petitioner. And in view of the enactment of amendment to the Civil Courts Act 2021, the Deputy Commissioner for the ADC has no jurisdiction decide any dispute. Therefore, the notice is without jurisdiction. Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. M. Kamduk and D. Kamduk, Leonard, Additional Advocate General, Interceptions Access Notice on way of response 1, 2, 4, 3, and 4. No formal notice needed in respect of respondents. Our extra copy shows, next.
Yes.
Steps be taken on respondent by arrested work as well as legal process within 2 working days. Next para, considering privacy that considering that the land dispute in question, and then dispute as regards the plot of land measuring so and so has already been settled by a decree of the jurisdiction civil court in favor of the petitioner, and considering that on the enactment of enforcement of on the enactment of Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act 2021, the Deputy Commissioner of the Initial Deputy would not have jurisdiction. The notice, if you notice that is so and so shall remain state.
My lord, the petitioner was supposed to appear today at 11:30.
I have intimated that I'm not appearing.
Shall not be given effect to this. Next para, Mr. D. Kamduk, Land Council Additional Advocate General, is directed to apprise the Deputy Commissioner as regards the order passed today. The copy of the order may be furnished to him. Okay.
I have intimated, in fact, yesterday.
Or it is heavy on you.
So you can do that in the additional.
I can, but since petitioner has already intimated.
No, I've already
Yes.
do that. You help your petition.
All right.
Item number 5.
Well, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I am agree by the imperial order, Lordship. Dated 2/7/2025. That is annexure 4, Lordship. Issued by the Deputy Secretary Vigilance. Page 38. Well, Lordship. My vigilance clearance has been, Lordship, not issued because of the pending vigilance case. SIC vigilance PS case 1 of 23, Lordship. Well, Lordship, FIR is at page 24, Lordship. FIR dated 2/2/2023, Lordship.
Issue notice.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Elba, Land Council for the petitioner. Challenge made in the street petition as to the communication dated 02/07/2025. 25.
Yes, Lordship. 25, Lordship.
issued by the Deputy Secretary within bracket Vigilance Government of Arunachal Pradesh to the DDSC within bracket E, Directorate of School Education, whereby the informing that whereby it is informed that vigilance clearance in respect of the petition cannot be issued at this stage as the petitioner is found to be involved in SIC vigilance PS case number 01/2020 under section 120 page 38. Issue notice returnable by police. What is your submission?
Lordship, final provisional pension has already been paid to me. After the lapse of 6 months, Lordship, I have not been paid. Authority has not passed final pension order, Lordship.
For want of vigilance clearance.
For want of Lordship, yes, Lordship.
You are involved.
No, Lordship.
Whether you are involved in the vigilance case.
My name has not been in FIR.
Huh? Not FIR, but then you are involved. Not necessarily in FIR.
It is illegal, Lordship, mismanagement of the fund by the Lordship, the staff of the DDSC.
I should be returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. As MS T. Wang Leonard, State Council, and Mr. Arkoy Leonard, Council enters appearance on behalf of the respondents. No women notice need this. However, extra copies be furnished. That is for the respondents.
All.
Item number 6.
Any instruction, affidavit has been filed.
Affidavit has been filed, my lord.
Why she has not been allowed?
Lordship, Standing Council has left the premises for some urgency. However, the instruction is that they have forwarded to the government. From them, no communication has been.
So who is to appoint?
The department.
Who is the appointing authority?
Since the matter.
Allowing appointment is there. Regulation is there. You have not been allowed to join.
Allowed to join.
Who has to accept? Who has to accept the joining?
Joining DMO, District Medical Officer, consult.
However, the matter pertains to larger public issue.
What public issue?
The person concerned is Changma.
So who
have sent it to the Home Department?
Who has asked you to? Have you cancelled her appointment or regularization?
No.
For which the hearing was conducted, because later on it was detected that she is Changma, and
any notice has been issued to her.
Yeah, notice has been issued and hearing was conducted, and
nothing.
That is the instruction, because the hearing was also conducted. And in fact, from the government, the law department, they have not. The matter is pending before them.
How can you, allow like this? If you find that her appointment or this thing is illegal or whatever reason,
initiate proceedings, whatever, as per the law. You just cannot keep it pending like this.
I'm praying for the next date. Is
What next day?
No, but that is, my lord, the applicant.
We'll say, we'll provide you that pendency shall not be barred to accept your journey.
But that observation will also not help. They have already predetermined not to accept my joining.
Hmm.
Direct the respondent number of this thing, DMO, to accept the joining report, which shall be subject to outcome of the read petition. Then they will allow me to join.
These are the difficulty, Mr. Koyu. These are small matter, maybe on your part. This may be the service. She has been allowed to work for 9 years.
Yes, Lord.
Immediately on
reopening. Kindly make that observation. Respondent number 5. Allow me to work at least. You cannot deny me this way.
We will say pendency shall not be a bar. Had Mr. Titi Thar learned counsel for the petitioner.
I am assisted by Tabata Kurmuto.
And then a senior counsel assisted by Mr. Titi Tokur learned counsel for the petitioner. What about the speaking order?
No, they have not passed any order, Lord. Because, my Lord, we have not initiated.
Petitioner is agreed by the action of the respondent authority, particularly the respondent number 5. 5. DMO of
DMO concert. 5 and 6.
Who is 6?
6 is medical superintendent concert.
Respondent number 5 and 6, namely district medical officer, Ponsa, and the medical superintendent, government hospital, Ponsa. District medical officer, Tirap district and medical superintendent, government hospital, Ponsa. In not accepting the, in non-acceptance of her service and non-acceptance her joining. Acceptance of her joining in her in the service. The petitioner, after serving for 9 years, is what? GNM?
Nursing, GN. The nursing officer. There.
Staff nurse. Huh? Staff nurse on contractual basis since 2016.
Now, my lord, has been redesignated as
under the
nursing officer.
National Health Mission. Come on. Her service was regularized by an order dated 27/05/2026. List of despite service of joining, submission of joining report as nursing officer.
Now redesignated as nursing officer.
Nursing officer on being after being regularized as service. Government, the hospital, Ponsa. But the petition, the respondent authorities has failed to accept it, has not allowed the petitioners to join this court on 07/11/2025, directed the respondent authorities to consider and decide the representation filed by the petitioner by passing a speaking order and to take an appropriate decision regarding acceptance of our joining in terms of regulation order dated 27/05/2025 within a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of certified copy of the order. However, it is stated that no consideration has been made. No, the petitioner, the representation of the petitioner has been disposed of as directed. Considered above. That is provided that the petitioner be allowed to join as nursing officer at Government Hospital, Konsa, pending final consideration of this petition, final determination of this petition as the respondent authorities appears to be not serious in their duties towards the appropriate consideration of the case of the petitioner. They agree to the parties that this matter be listed on now will post after 6 weeks.
Lordship, because the hearing was conducted, the Home Department, before the Home Department, it has been forwarded to the law.
This after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Correct.
Item number 11 and 12.
We have actually received notice. There are 106 private respondents in this writ petition in item number 12. We are, as of now, representing, my lord, 81. Out of those 81, my lord, 17 persons have said that though their ancestors have been named, they have since deceased and therefore their names should be substituted, my lord. These respondents are respondent number 4, 6, 15, 29. We have given a list.
Substitution. This IA is for?
IA is for substitution of legal heirs of 17 deceased respondents, my lord, in the writ petition.
17.
My lord. And this is the list, my lord.
So no objection. Naturally, my lord, because I have to accept the narrative of my learned friend.
Yes.
We would never be wiser. We can't verify these things. And if somebody is aggrieved, they will come before the honorable court.
Yes.
So, my lord, I'll put it this way. Let the IA be allowed. And my lord, the service, since my learned friend has already received the copy of the writ petition, that is why he is here. So, my lord, the service in respect of these respondents should be treated as complete.
Okay.
64 plus 17. 80.
Had Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel for the
give them the list also.
applicants.
You have given a list.
And Mr. Piketty, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Arel Tungar, learned counsel for the opposite party, writ petitioner.
Yes.
Why you have to file a writ petition?
My lord,
Hydropower.
litigation is still on. So, my lord, there is always a danger.
Can I take up this matter?
Lordship, possibly at this stage can.
This is of DMP.
My lord, no, Subhan Seri.
Subhan Seri.
No.
So, my lord had an occasion to deal at such
Yes,
stage.
I think.
Final hearing is a different matter. These are interlocutory stages. There is no difficulty.
Okay.
No difficulty. There is no conflict.
Okay. In that case, it's okay. Next, this is an application for seeking substitution of the legal heirs of This is respondent number 4, 6. It's in page 1. Huh? So
Given a separate list also.
in separate list. Yeah.
Yes. And item number 11 is 4 to total 17 persons. These are to be substituted.
What is this item?
Then in item number 12, this 64 persons who are still alive, we are representing by.
So it's okay.
So in total 81.
They are party, yeah?
They're already,
They're already, yeah?
They're already a party.
Okay. 4, 6, 29. This you check this.
So, not service in respect of all these may be treated as complete.
In the connected WPC. Number 03 of 2026. Next para. It is submitted that during the pendency of this, the connected report is.
No, in fact, prior to pendency, my lord, some of them had died. But then,
during and prior to
my lord.
Filing of this pendency of this rate position, connected rate position, the respondent number 4, 6, see same respondent have and person the expert. Therefore, the applicants be allowed to be substituted in place of the aforesaid. This is respondents. This expert having considered the submission and we are not being objected to by Mr. Allen, Senior Counsel. I deem it appropriate to allow this application by allowing the applicants to be substituted in place of this is respondents number so and so so and so. Whereas the IA states accordingly it is allowed. Next, IA stands allowed and disposed of.
Since my lord, writ petition has also come today, taking with it. So my lord, I think registry can very well refer to my lord's order in the IA and can give a note that service should be treated to be complete in respect of.
Okay, we'll pass this in this or in writ petition. Then who has to file the amendments? You file entry of the order passed.
My learned friend has made our job.
The learned counsel for the petition, I will say, Mr. Anil Tungunsel, submit a file and amended cost item, so and so. They have to the registry to do the needful. Next para. In view of the, no, since Mr. The B part London Council enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the.
Not all, my lord, 81. Total 106 are there. 81 I am representing.
81?
81 out of 106 private respondents, my lord.
From who else are there?
The rest, my lord, I don't know, my lord. The rest, I think nobody has appeared till now.
These are the.
These are the respondents.
No,
total 81. 64 plus 17.
On behalf of this respondent, which one? The services in respect of the notice in respect of respondents are and no notice of service is required to be.
Yes, correct.
No steps. No notice is required to be.
Yes.
Formal notice is required to be served. How about extra copies?
If he needs, we will serve.
I already have.
You have then no extra copy.
Let us not waste paper.
What about other respondents? Other respondents?
Nobody. My lord, we have not taken any steps. We will do that.
Okay. The Mr. London Council for the petition to take steps for rest of the respondent, except the state of Arunachal Pradesh. State of you are there.
1 and 2.
Except the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Except the state respondents number 1 and 2, who is being duly represented by Mr. N. Ratan Lal additional.
My lord, my London friend has saved us a great trouble
Yes.
because we were finding things very difficult.
But
They were more
extra
than
copies
100.
may be served on us.
Huh?
Extra copies may be served on the
Copies
state.
are made. Oh, copies
Yes.
are already made.
Sir, he's asking for extra
Yes,
copy.
extra copies have already been made. In fact, 100 copies have been made already.
Okay.
So,
List after 4 weeks.
yeah, let it be. Thanks. Or you can ask for more because he will file affidavit.
Item number 14.
Lordship, here, I need some more time to file affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Commissioner in person.
yes, good afternoon, sir. So, my lord, in persons of order dated 8 June 26.
With postal note until service.
Yes, my lord. I have submitted the postal delivery receipts yesterday to the registry.
8 to
8 to, my lord, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 and 15 that is delivered. And respondent number 13 refused. So my humble prayer is an order may be passed.
you have submitted
Yes, to the registry yesterday.
application. Will
Yes, filed, sir.
You
Already.
filed an application to that effect, saying that these respondents the notice has been served in respect of these respondents with the receipt.
It was filed yesterday.
Where it is?
It was filed to the registry yesterday, my
No,
lord.
no. Did you file an affidavit?
It was filed in form of application.
Where it is?
It was submitted to the registrar, my lord. This is my copy. Actually, it is not listed in the order. It was not said like.
You used it. What application you have filed? IA affidavit you have filed.
No, it's
No,
just an application.
It's a letter, my lord.
You file an affidavit saying that these respondents have been duly served and this respondent has refused to accept with the acknowledgement, then we'll consider. All right. You file an affidavit, additional affidavit,
And then, my lord, if you,
the proof of service or refusal to accept. Not only affidavit, you have to annex those, the acknowledgement or the refusal. You have to obtain the signature. Then we'll pass the order that they have been served or not served, or refuse to accept.
and then, my lord, if you kindly permit, in the last order,
Mr. So-and-so, petitioner in person, or in, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. Tagam,
Tagam Mibang, sir.
petitioner in person, further, and on the prayer, MSR Basar State Council, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Next, petitioner in person to file an appropriate affidavit regarding the proof of service or refusal to accept notice upon, in respect of the private respondents. Yes, list after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
You file that, we'll consider on next.